So this tutorial uses my add-on Animation Snapper Pro, and it's a paid for add-on, but before you click off, I genuinely believe this add-on makes these tasks so much easier, and that's exactly why I made this add-on. So please stick around and have a look, and sorry for the show, but I genuinely believe this add-on is something that you will find useful, and I made it so that I personally can use it in our project. So I hope you can find it as useful as I'm finding it literally every day. I recently added this ease of life function, and it just rolls a very common workflow into just a few clicks, and it's very powerful and it's very flexible. So let me show you how it works. Just a few clicks, you can actually follow any element, so as a vertex, edge or face on any object and snap to it. So this just makes it a lot easier. As a reminder, I just put the different steps here just to have in place for this snap to work, but it becomes second nature the moment you use it. Also in this add-on now, I have either click that or this, and you can have a more compact version of this UI, and it just has fewer reminders and smaller buttons on this. But this is the full UI. This function here, Snapped2Element Bake, it does it with the offset as well. So I'll just quickly show you how to use this, because this is just so useful in so many different situations, and it's enormously flexible as well. So what do you need to do first? You need to pose your snapped relative to your element. So in this case, I have a carpet here, and if I play this animation, you can see this magic carpet over here has a noise modifier on it. It has a wave modifier on it, so it animates. There we go. So I want her feet to follow the surface of this carpet. Okay, let's quickly do that. So first thing I want to do, I want to position a foot. So I'm just going to go and I am going to line this up to exactly how I want it. Okay, that's good enough for now. I'm going to go out of pose mode. I'm going to select a snapped target. So in this case, you don't need source and snapped, you just need a snapped. So I'm just going to click over the bone. It's going to fill in that for me. Then I'm going to go into my carpet. I'm going to go into, let's just switch these two on so we can see the end result. Then I'm just going to go into here and see what here would be a good thing to snap it to. So let's say that vertex over there. Select the vertex. I'm going to make sure I've set it to the time range. So use the playback range in this case. And then I'm just going to snap it forward. So first it's going to create my helper. And then it's going to snap my foot over that time range exactly to that target, or to that vertex we selected. And it's going to keep this relative offset, and it's just going to follow it. So this can be used for many things, and you can also switch what it follows quite easily, and you can just keyframe in between. So let's go here. I want this ball to follow this carpet, so I'm just going to line it up to where I want it to follow. So say I want it to follow there on that little area over there. Okay, so do that in the first frame you want to snap. Then go to your object. Oh, and there's a close by face there, so I'm going to use that as my reference. I'm going to make sure that my ball or my icosphere is in my snapped slot. I'm going to snap it from frame 1 to 80, and I'm just going to snap it forward. And there we go. Now it follows the carpet from 0 to 80, and 80 it stops. And now I want it to go and sit on her leg. So on frame 100, I'm just going to animate it over there. Set the key for that. I'm going to go, just put like a little in between there. It's just going to go blink, jump onto a leg. Then from this point, I want it to follow the leg. So my icosphere is still in there. Also here, I'm going to put it compact because I don't need the explanation anymore. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to edit mode, and let's choose a close by vertex this time. And it can be an edge as well. Let's select that vertex over there. And I'm going to snap it from 100 to 200 this time. And I'm just going to snap it forward. So first going to create my helpers, and then it's going to snap. So now we got the ball following the carpet. It jumps over onto a leg, and now it follows her leg. So you can see the flexibility of this. If this add-on is something that you think you can use, have a look at our website or just on the channel in the description or in the comments. Look for the links where you can find it. Our website is www.mellowwillow.com, and there's information on it there as well. It's available on Gumroad and SuperRive. The money we make from this add-on is also to support our personal indie project. So please support us, or just see how it works and then make up your mind. Cool. Thank you very much.